Here's a commercial solar program your CFO will actually approve of. Did you know you can be cash flow positive by day one as soon as the system's operational? Unlike most commercial proposals you've probably seen, where you're looking at an 8 to 10 year ROI, massive capital expenditure, or you have to take out a loan from a bank or share the benefits with a third party. Instead, you own the solar array and are seeing a positive ROI by month one. How is this possible? Well, if you have the tax liability, instead of it going to Uncle Sam, you can use that tax liability and transform it as upfront payments for your solar array. So this is how we achieve the immediate ROI. So you're not having to take out huge capital expenditure loan from a bank to pay for the solar system. When you do it this way, you're leveraging the 30% federal tax credit to put that toward a solar system. So in most instances, you're able to write off the system costs. With our program, you're able to use that tax liability that would otherwise go to Uncle Sam toward a solar array as upfront payments. That's really the difference where our proposal realizes an immediate ROI by month one. If you'd like to see if you qualify for this program, go to comsolar.org and request a free solar proposal